Greetings, fellow medical professionals. I am Dr. Joseph Webster, a board-certified internist and pharmacist. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to innovative products that are changing the game in scalp health. In my 40 years of practice, I've witnessed countless individuals battling scalp dryness and discomfort. But let me share something exciting. The landscape is evolving, and the path to healthier scalps has never been more promising. Imagine being able to provide your patients with a product that truly transforms their scalp health. Cannabis therapeutic hair and scalp care products are not just products. They are powerful solutions that elevate care satisfaction and overall well-being. These products have been designed to target a spectrum of concerns, from dryness to itching, sensitivity to soreness, even the effects of oncology treatments. Your patient's comfort and your patient's confidence are in your hands, and Canby is your answer. Allow me to introduce you to an amazing arsenal of cannabis game-changing therapeutic wonders. First, we have the Itch Calming Serum, a triumph of science and nature. Organic aloe, manuka honey, lavender, peppermint combine forces to deliver soothing relief. Say goodbye to the discomfort of itching. Say hello to Canby's non-greasy, quick-acting serum. Next up, the Hydrate and Strengthen Scalp Balm, a true testament to innovation. Infused with natural minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, it creates a breathable barrier to protect the scalp. And the best part? It is petroleum and mineral oil free, leaving no residue. Now let's talk cleansing with the Moisture and Repair Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Powered by organic aloe, enriched with turmeric, biotin, and vitamin E, it's not just a shampoo, it's a scalp and hair replenishing experience. And finally, the Moisture and Repair Intensive Premium 3-in-1 Conditioner, a game changer for hair strength and manageability. Its organic aloe base combined with turmeric, biotin, manuka honey, and vitamin E reduces breakage and detangles even a caveman's hair like a dream. Ladies and gentlemen, Canby's therapeutic hair and scalp care solutions are more than just products. They are results. Your patients deserve the best, and these solutions set the standard. Take the step today towards healthier scalps and healthier patients. So medical professionals, it's time to explore a new dimension of care. Join me in championing healthier scalps, one satisfied patient at a time. This is Dr. Joseph Webster signing off. Together, let's transform scalp hair health and make a lasting impact on global health, one patient at a time. Canby is the answer.